am super excited to take you through the journey of Mitra Jyoti, a journey filled with challenges and accomplishments. Mitra Jyoti was started in 1990 by Ms. Madhu Sehgal and a group of like-minded people with an idea to assist the visually impaired and to enable them to lead independent and dignified lives through education, training and counseling. Mitra Jyoti has multiple programs that cater to the needs of the differently abled. The programs have been divided into different categories for better functioning. The Education Resource Center is one of the key programs of Mitra Jyoti. In 1992, Mitra Jyoti initiated the Talking Book Library. It has become an effective tool that has helped more than 50,000 visually impaired students to complete their education. Today, it has grown to a fully talking and digitally accessible library with books in multiple languages available in different accessible formats like e-text, EPUB, DAISY and Braille. The Braille Transcription Center was started in 1999 and today the center, equipped with a Braille printing press, provides free Braille textbooks to many schools across pan-India. Technology has made learning easy. Tactile pictures, diagrams and textbooks printed at the center facilitate the students to grasp difficult concepts in subjects like science and mathematics. The center also releases multiple audio and Braille publications. Spardha Shrinkala is an audio publication that reaches out to students preparing for competitive exams. Jnana Samhita is a monthly Braille publication which covers a wide range of topics like science and technology, culture, lifestyle and travel. Mitra Jyoti has been instrumental in building the Sugamaya Pustakalaya, a national level online library. An old proverb says, "Give a man a fish and you feed him for a day. Teach a man to fish and you feed him for a lifetime." A similar belief inspired Ms. Madhu Sehgal to design the Independent Living Skills or the ILS program in 1997. This program aims to build confidence and enable the visually impaired to lead a dignified and independent life. The training covers indoor and outdoor mobility lessons, basic home management skills, cooking lessons, social and behavior counseling, personality development, and basic arts and crafts skill. This residential program has helped thousands of visually impaired individuals embrace an independent lifestyle. Mitra Jyoti also provides assistive devices like cane, Braille slates with stylus, Taylor frames, and some games and sports equipment at very nominal prices for the differently abled. This is the age of information and technology. To help the visually challenged keep pace with technology, the Computer Training Center was started in 2005. The center runs 3 batches of basic and advanced computer courses in a year. While the basic course is for school students, the advanced course targets graduates and postgraduates who seek higher education or jobs at the end of the training. They are assisted by the strong placement cell of Mitra Jyoti. In addition to grooming the students, the placement cell also helps in identifying the right job opportunities in IT, government or the private sector. Mitra Jyoti also works on creating awareness by hosting workshops and conferences for people with disabilities, by conducting educational excursions and special needs training program and social work internship programs. An organization which started with humble roots in 1990 has grown over the last few decades to become a center that has helped reshape the lives of millions of individuals. It has helped many students to complete their education and given them a fighting chance at a better tomorrow. We at Mitra Jyoti are inspired every day by the achievements of an ever-growing family, and we work hard to provide the best support we can to those who need it most.